Dear children, today we will continue with the same chapter measurement, but I will give you some exercise problems, right? Okay. And exercise 11B and question number 4A. Then first one is Mrs. Kapoor has 2 clotheslines in her backyard. One is 5 meter long and the other one is 4.05 meter long. How much longer is the first clothesline than the second one? Okay, and we need to find the difference between these two clotheslines, right? And first I need to write length of first clothesline. How much only, children? That I will write. Length of first clothesline is 5 meter, right? Okay, and the length of second clothesline is 4.05 m only, right? Okay. After that, we need to find the difference in length between first and second clotheslines. How much only? 5 meter. Okay, I will take 5 m minus 4.05 m only, right? Okay, and what will you get it here? I will show you that 5.00 minus 4.05. Okay, and here what will happen? It will become 10, 5 only, and it will become 9 and 4. Okay, here is 9 and this one 4 minus 4, 0 only. Answer is what? 0.95 m. That is the difference between these two clotheslines, right? Okay, and the next problem is a rabbit's hop is 2 meter long. How many hops does a rabbit take to travel 1 kilometer? How can you do this one, children? And in the question they gave one clue also, right? What is the clue here? Convert kilometer to meter first. So the reason is what? First one is 2 meter long and second one is in kilometer. First one is in meter and the second one is in kilometer. So we want to change it in the same unit only, right? Then only we can do it nicely. Okay, convert kilometer to meter first. Okay, and first the distance covered in one hop. One hop equals how much only? That is in meter only. No need to convert. That is 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter only. Okay, and the next one is number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer. In 1 kilometer is how much meter only? We need to change kilometer to meter. 1000 meter only, children. 1000 meter. And how can we find the number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer divided by what? 1 kilometer divided by 2 meter only, because distance covered in one hop is how much? 2 meter only. And they will ask for what? Number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer. Okay, and number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer equals how much only? 1 kilometer divided by the distance covered in one hop. Okay, and that is 1 kilometer divided by 2 meter only. But one is in kilometer and the other one is in meter. So we need to change kilometer also to meter. That's why it will become 1000 m divided by what? 2 m. Okay, answer is what? 500. 1000 divided by 2, you will get what? 500 only. That is what? Number of hops. So 500 hops only, right? Is it clear, children? You know how to do this. Okay, you know how to do this. The distance covered in one hop is 2 meter and number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer we need to find. Okay, and one is in kilometer and the other one is in meter. So we need to change kilometer to meter. Then only we can do it. Okay, 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. And they are asking for what? Number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer. Okay, number of hops to finish in 1000 meter only. So we need to divide 1000 meter by 2 meter. 2 meter is what distance covered in one hop. Okay, then I will get the number of hops to finish in 1 kilometer. That is what 500 hops. Is it clear? Okay, then the next one is Varsha runs 3.2 kilometer a day. How far does Varsha run in a week? Okay, and this, okay, it's okay, no problem. And this one is Varsha only, right? Okay, and the distance Varsha runs in a day equals how much only? Varsha runs in a day equals how much? How much she finish? Okay, and 3.2 kilometer, right? Okay, in one day she finished 3.2 kilometer only, right? Okay, the distance she covered in 1 week, in a week equals how much only? The distance okay, she covered in 1 week equals how much only? In 1 week equals how much? How can we find it like this? To 3.2 kilometer in 1 day. So for 1 week we need to multiply 3.2 by what? Into 7. You will get the answer. 3.2 into 7. Okay, 3.2 into 7 is what? 3.2 into 7. I told you, right, no need to worry about the decimal point. You can simply multiply only, right? Okay, no need to write it like this. And 32 into 7 is what? 2 sevens are 4. 2 sevens are 14. And 3 sevens are 21 plus 1, 22. Okay, and after that we need to put one decimal point there. So answer is what? 22.4 what? Kilometer she covered in 1 week. Is it clear, children? You know how to do this. 22.4 kilometers she can finish in 1 week. Okay, and the next one, Karan has placed a stool on a table to reach the top of his cupboard. Okay, otherwise he can't do it like right. That's why he is doing. He has placed a stool on a table to reach the top of his cupboard. If the height of the table is 98 centimeter and the stool is 65 centimeter, and what height in meters is Karan standing? We need to find the total height. Karan has placed a stool on a table to reach the top of his cupboard. Okay, and if the height of the table is 98, height of the table is given in the question, and height of the stool is also given in the question, and they are asking for what is the total height in meters Karan standing. How can we find, children? First we need to write the height of a table. How much only? Height of a table is how much? You check it in the question. Height of a table is 98 centimeter only, right? Okay, 98 cm. And the height of a stool is how much only? 65 cm. So the total height of a table and stool together equals how much only? Together comes what only? We need to add. Okay, and 98 plus 65. How much only, children? 98 plus 65. Okay, see, this one is 163 only, right? Okay, 163 what? 163 what? Centimeter only. Okay, we can change to meter also. 163 centimeter is how much meter only? 1.63 meter only. Is it clear, children? Okay, I will give you some homework problems also. That is exercise 11B, page number 164, and question number 4, E, F and G. That is your homework, right? That you have to do it at home. Okay. Thank you, children.